Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to delete your Betmgm account. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First of all, open your web browser. Then on the search bar, type in Betmgm. Once you press enter, you will get this kind of results. From this, click on the first link. Then it will ask you to select a location. So from this list, select the location and then it will take you to this home page. Now on this page, you'll have to log into your account. Once you have your account, click on this login button. Then it will ask you to enter your login credentials. And in case if you have forgotten your password, you can click on this link to reset it. Once you have entered your details, click on this login button and you'll be logged into your account. Once you are logged in, click on your profile at the top right corner. Then this menu will open up. Now from this menu, you will get two options, either to close your account completely or get a timeout for some time. If you want to close your account permanently, select this account setting option and then click on service closure. And if you want a timeout, go back. Then click on this option responsible gaming. And after that, click on timeout. Once you click on those links, they will try to verify your identity by asking you some personal questions or your account's password. And once you provide all the necessary details, your account will be deleted. So this is how you do it. I hope this video is helpful. Thanks.